Hello guys, it's David from Trade Support Group. I want to welcome everyone. We are doing one strategy per day. Today's strategy will be the Bollinger Bands set on a 50 time frame with a regular setting stochastic. The reason we're using this is we're looking to get into a good trend with mainly Forex pairs, but you can use it for other instruments as well. Essentially, a good example, we're not going to trade it right now because ideally we're looking for entry points with this. Now you can see on this AUD USD chart here, once the candles break through, it's a 1 hour chart by the way, once we break through the moving average, the middle band and the Bollinger Bands, we have a strong uptick from there. We're in a bullish market, and each time, essentially what happens is each time the candles head down towards the middle band here, the moving average, and we have a convergence with an oversold stochastic reading. Look what happens. We tend to trend back up. Next time it's oversold down here. Come here, oversold, ticks back up. So these are good ways to find entry points into the market. Again, this is on a 1 hour chart. It's more fit for day trading. I have to be a little more patient with it than our last video that was for scalpers. But nonetheless, this is a tremendous video. I want you guys to check it out. If you're watching it on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, like the video if you like it. If you don't like it, dislike it and tell me why, because we're trying to improve every day and help clients make money on the market because it is available. So we'll keep you up to date. We're going to run today's strategies with this setting, with the Bollinger Band and stochastic. We'll update you guys throughout the day and let you know what kind of results we got. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks.